Marktech portable model. Specification: laser type 20W/30W/50W. Laser power 175*175 mm/150*150 mm. Device marking area 200*200 m/250*250 mm. Laser source Racus/Max. Laser head Sino-Falvo with auto. Laser repetition frequency 20 kHz 80 kHz. Laser wavelength 1064 mm. Laser marking speed -7000 meters per second. Minimum line width 0.01 mm. Minimum character 0.15 mm. Laser module life -100000. Cooling mode IN build air cooling. Power input 220V/50 Hz, single phase. Laser marking software SCAD Professional/Marktech marking software. Graphic format BMP, JPG, GIF, PNG, DXF. System operation environment Windows XP 7 with 32-bit, Windows 8 and Windows 10.